today's video, I'm going to teach you the next 3 basic techniques of crochet. Just different stitches that you might find when you read a pattern, or if you're going to go ahead and make up your own pattern. These are just 3 more basic stitches that you can use in any which way. So let's get into it. Hey guys, so the first stitch we're going to review in today's episode 2 of Crochet Basic Techniques is the double crochet stitch. So I've done a base chain. In order to do a double crochet, I go back to the 3rd chain and I go ahead and I yarn over, go through the chain, yarn over again and pull up a loop. You should have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over again and pull through the last 2. This is a double crochet stitch. And the chain right here, in most patterns, not all, but most, this is used as the first double crochet stitch. Let's do it again. Yarn over, go through the chain, yarn over again, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. I'll go ahead and finish this off. Okay, now that was the double crochet stitch. So next stitch I want to teach you is the triple crochet. I go ahead and chain 3 if it's a new row. Since I'm counting this as my first, I actually skip this one and I go into this. Now to do a triple crochet, and in some cases it's called a treble crochet, you go ahead and yarn over twice, go through the stitch, yarn over again. You should have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And that would be a triple or a treble crochet. I'll do it again. Yarn over twice, yarn over, go through the stitch, yarn over again, pull up a loop. You should have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2. I'll go ahead and finish this row off. All right, so really the biggest difference between these 2 stitches is it just makes it a bit longer. So this is the double crochet row, this is the triple or treble crochet row. The next and last stitch I want to teach you in this episode is go ahead and chain 2. This one is called the front post double crochet. So you actually yarn over, and you actually go between these stitches. Instead of going on the top, you're going around the stitch. Go ahead and pull up a loop and double crochet as normal. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And you can tell it ends up in the front, so it actually becomes a thicker piece. So I'll do it again. Yarn over, go around the stitch, yarn over again, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And this is the front post double crochet. And you can actually do the exact same thing for the triple. It's called a front post triple crochet, and it's the exact same. You yarn over twice, go around the stitch, yarn over again, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So it essentially works the exact same. It's just a bit taller. So again, double crochet, triple or treble crochet, and the front post double crochet. These are the 3 stitches I wanted to teach you today. Stay tuned for the next set of techniques, and I will see you in the next one.